fire. These are so fire. Are they? Because why are they not sold out? Adidas and Demon Slayer collaboration. Yeah, so this is this is the collaboration. They came out with 3 pairs. They dropped it on the 1st. I didn't talk about it on the 1st or earlier. I posted, if you follow me on Instagram, I probably update my Instagram the most whenever I find stuff, just because it's easy. I could just quickly share it, and then also in my newsletter. But they came out with 3 shoes inspired by Tanjiro, Tengen, and Rengoku. And Rengoku's like my favorite character, and I'm very yeah. I'm just gonna say no comment, you know? No comment. I don't know. I don't want to lose those brand deals. No, it's not even that. It's not even that. I think it's more of like, I just wish a lot of these bigger brands, and I think this is why smaller people and anime fans are starting to take initiative to create stuff on their own, because we're not getting what we want. So if we're not getting what we want, we're just gonna, you know, take a stand and create it on our own. And I feel like if I was someone that worked on the marketing team over at Adidas and I had the opportunity to collaborate with Demon Slayer, I would have picked up some small like brand designers, or even the people that paint on the shoes. I would have did a collab with them and had them design it and paid them. They would have been so happy to do that. I'm very disappointed in the Tengen ones. Hey, where's the flash at? These should be flashy. These are not flashy at all. They call putting this gold right here flashy. Those baby shoes. Did I see the Naruto? I did see I did like the Naruto collab. I think I wrote a blog post about it. Yeah, they could have did a lot. These are very, I don't know, underwhelming. Especially Rengoku. Like, Rengoku's my favorite character. They could have did so many, like, they could have did, oh, this could have been so clean. This could have been so clean. I don't know. It's just unfortunate. Adidas, if you have another collaboration with anime, let me help you. I just feel like sometimes they don't talk to the community or something. Like, talk to the community as a community. Underwhelming is the word for sure. Yeah. I was gonna get on TikTok and make a video about it, but I was like, let me stop myself. So that's what I did. But as you can see, they're not sold out. Now the One Piece and Puma collection that happened sold out immediately, expeditiously. Oh my goodness. I was so like upset when I was reading other people. So other people reviewed this and I was reading the comments and everybody was like, these are so fire. These are so fire. Are they? Because why are they not sold out? Because the One Piece Puma collection was sold out. I had to like go and venture off to get the shoes that I want. I didn't get the, unfortunately I didn't get the Gear 5. The white ones? Yeah, I think it was Gear 5. It was the Luffy pair. Yeah, I didn't get those. But I got the ones I really wanted. The King Bubby pair. A bunch of yes men at Adidas. Yeah. But that so that's Adidas.